Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I want to talk to you guys about LS cylinder heads. On the table here, I've got a set of our Smedding Performance 11 degree, 260cc, 6-bolt aftermarket casting cylinder heads. One of the biggest questions I get is, can I run these on a 4-bolt engine block? And the answer is yes. The 6-bolt only adds some threads right here and then a casting boss right here, so that if you are running a Dart engine block or an aftermarket engine block, you can utilize them. However, the center 4 are still normal. So if you have an LS3 block, an LQ4, LQ9, 6.0 block, anything with a 4-inch bore and bigger, you can run these heads. In fact, I have these same heads installed on my OEM 4-bolt Gen 4 6.0 engine block, and Shay does also. So you don't need a 6-bolt aftermarket block to install these heads. Second, a lot of people ask if they can get Inconel valve upgrade. The valves that we already have on our exhaust are 23-8N, which is kind of a super alloy steel that is designed for extreme heat applications. These valves have all the same properties as Inconel, but they don't have any of the brittleness. What people don't realize is that whenever you run an Inconel valve on the exhaust, it's extremely brittle, and it's really intended for race-only applications, because if you ever have any valve float or chatter, you can severely damage the valve and risk breaking the head off. So for street applications, we really don't like to go full Inconel, but this valve is about 95% there. These valves come standard in our heads, so they're already a huge upgrade compared to everybody else's normal stainless steel that they run on their exhaust side. Again, I have these heads on my engine. We went to the Texas Mile with them as kind of our first testing R&D session, and I sprayed a 300 shot for 25 seconds at the mile, and the engine did fantastic. No valve issues, no valve train issues, turning about 8,000 RPM as well with these big valves. So as long as you have a very sturdy valve train and the proper camshaft with the correct cam ramp rate to match your valve spring, you're not going to have any issues. They're great. We offer these cylinder heads 3 ways. The first way is with valves, but no spring kit. Because they're an 11-degree cylinder head, they take a much longer valve than normal 15-degree LS3 cylinder heads do. So we always include our valves, and we also include them because the valve job is already cut to match this exact bevel on the valves, and we want to include this exhaust valve package as well, standard. And then the second way is with a 660 spring kit, and then we have a 700 lift spring kit. So this customer bought a set of our cylinder heads with our 700 thou lift spring kit. So I've got them out here on the table, all cleaned up, ready for assembly, and now it's time to put them together. just like that, we have a set of 11-degree heads ready to rock. These heads also come standard with billet rocker standoffs. You go right about there so that your rocker arms are securely located versus the factory cast aluminum versions. And yeah, they're all done, looking awesome, ready to make a bunch of horsepower. These heads also come standard on our 427 LS power adder long blocks. We can see them in action on this engine that we're getting ready to finish building. This is a standing mile 427 LS that's going to make about 1,800-ish horsepower, and he's going to run those exact same cylinder heads. All right, thank you all for watching. Subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll see you next week.